Hello and welcome to the 6th tutorial from FIBO Group on the Metatrader 4 platform. The Navigator window in Metatrader 4 provides many options to traders and enables quick access. Firstly, you can choose the Accounts tab and switch between accounts if you have more than one account. You also have an Indicators tab, and from here you can drag any of the indicators you have downloaded onto the chart and click OK. Underneath this you have the Expert Advisors tab, and this holds all the advisors you have downloaded as well as sample advisors. The Scripts tab here can help you conduct complex instructions easily, such as closing several trades in one click. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.